Robots are rapidly gaining popularity in the service industry. Administrator robots are appearing in hotels all around the world. The majority are Promobots. Promobot is an autonomous service robot. It is able to move independently, identify faces and speech, recognize people, and communicate with them on a variety of topics, and integrate with external equipment and systems. At the hotel, it meets guests at the entrance. Promobot starts communication when it recognizes a person's face. It will not only ask about the weather, but also register the guest and give them the room key. The robot easily reads the passport and distinguishes the real from the fake. It can also integrate into the hotel reservation system and add data there. With these functions, Promobot is able to perform the check-in procedure as well as a human would. On average, registering a guest takes only 1 minute. Promobot will ask guests if they would like a wake-up call or dinner delivered to their room. It will also inform guests where the restaurant, fitness room, or spa center is located. If a client wants to use a service, they will be able to pay for it with the help of a robot. Promobot is ready to meet guests from all over the world. It is fluent in 9 languages and speaks without an accent. As well as that, the robot's battery life does not limit its capabilities. The robot is able to work for 8 hours without recharging. When a critical level is reached, the robot independently interrupts the current process and hurries to charge. After fully recharging, the robot returns to the workplace.